What's up guys, welcome to my channel Guidezoid. Today I'm going to start off my first video by showing you guys how to make a blow up cube out of paper. Should come out something like this. I made this at an earlier time. Nonetheless, it should look something like this. I always thought these things were so cool to make when I was a kid. I was always so fascinated by it, and I actually seen a friend with one, and I seen him like blow it, and then it turned into a box. I always thought that was so cool, and when I finally learned how to make it, I thought it was so awesome. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make one too today. So you're gonna want to start off with a square sheet of paper. Most people have regular printer paper, which is a rectangle obviously, so we're going to start by making this into a square. I do recommend that you have scissors with you, although it could be done without scissors. So what we're going to do is start by folding these sides diagonally, and you're going to want to line up this side along the side of the paper right there. And so we're going to line up the edge like this, make sure it's even or as even as possible, and then you're gonna fold these corner side down like this, and then we're gonna actually do the same thing. I find it easier to just fold it over like this instead of unfolding and doing that again. Make like a little house. It should look like a house. Then we're gonna line up this edge right here like this, and flatten this side out like this. So like I said, it should come out looking like a little house. And so what we're going to want to do is remove this extra piece right here. So this is where scissors come in handy. Now you could do it without scissors, which basically all you do is just you fold this like to where it's even with the bottom, you know, it makes that little flap. So I'm gonna just show you guys real quick how to do it if you don't have scissors. So you fold it like that to where you got this little flap and you can see the line. So basically, since you fold it like this, you could fold the opposite way and just kind of make it weak on that side like that. And then once you bend it like that, you just pass your mouth along the side, get it slightly wet with your spit, and then basically once it's wet, and you could just kind of just tear it off like that. But we're gonna use scissors today just to make it a little easier on ourselves. So you basically just cut along the line right there that we made, and try to make it as close as you can to that line like that. Let's see how even that comes out. Let's see. Alright, take that piece off. So you're going to end up with your square like that. And since we folded this way already, just fold this side diagonally. Make sure each side is folded diagonally. Like that. So that way it bends this way and this way. And now that you got this square, we're gonna take this and fold these in like this to where it folds in, and then the other side folds over to where you got like this triangle with the both flaps inside like that. Then we just fold that down nice and tight, so it should come out like that. You're gonna see the folds inside like that. Alright, so we got this triangle here. Now next, all we're gonna do is fold this corner right here to where this corner meets up with this corner up here, and make sure it's nice and even, and the sides go along each other like that. And you're gonna do that to all four corners, so we're gonna keep that. Do this side like that. And try to make sure these edges line up right here as close as they can. Flip it over, do the same thing on each side. And then you could try to line up this edge with the other side of the edge, like that. And it's gonna come out to look like a little diamond, like that. Fold it down. So there you go, you got your little diamond. So it should look something like that. Now next, what we're gonna do is fold this corner up to the middle right here. So we're gonna do this and make sure that point hits the line in the middle, like this. See, it should go up to the middle like that. And then you're gonna just wanna do that on all four corners again. Do the opposite side, like that. Then you flip it over and just do the same thing. Hit it up, the corners up to that middle line. And then you could also try to make sure the edges line up right here on each side at the same time. Do the other side, like this. Alright, and then now it should look something like this, like a little hexagon. Now, when you do this, you're gonna wanna look for the side that got the little holes. So see, you're gonna do like this, and see how they got this little opening right here? It's gonna look for that side, because the other side ain't gonna have that. It's just gonna be one side, you're gonna see this little opening. So what you're gonna wanna do is take these flaps right here, and basically just pass them in the little opening right there, and let the corners go in like that, if I could get it. Alright, and when you put them in, make sure that it tucks in this corner right here to where there's no opening glove. Make sure this side goes all the way in. See how you can't see the edge like that? Because if I wouldn't have put it in all the way, you would see like that little opening like that. Just make sure that's tucked all the way in. And then you're going to want to do that to each of the corners. So we're going to do this side. Tuck it into that hole. If I could get it again. Let's see. Tuck it in. Okay. Like that. Now, see, it should look something like that. Now we just flip it over and do the same exact thing on this side, because this side will also have the little opening. So you pass it through. I always find this part tricky to do. Okay, pass it in. Make sure that part's not showing, tucked all the way in. Do this side. Like that. Okay, try to tuck it in all the way. And then we just fold that, kind of seal it down like that. Alright guys, so now you should have something that looks just like this on each side. Now all we're going to do now is take this and fold it inward. So you just open each side up like that, and you fold it like this. Now see how they got this part? Well, there's no hole right there, so we're looking for the hole. So we flip it over, and the hole is on this side. You should see a little opening on the end right here. And basically, all you do now is just hold it like this, and you blow in the hole, and it should blow into a box. So let's do that. And just like that, we got it. Although it didn't blow up too much, so we're gonna go back and try to blow it some more. And yeah, so it should come out to a little cube like that. And there you have it. You made your blow up cube. Go off and show your friends how to do it too. I always found these things are so fun to make. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. And thank you for watching. Please make sure you give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future. Peace out.